Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen today. It's Miso. Today I've got a recipe that I'm gonna share with you that I know that you and your family are gonna love. Let's get this done, okay? Let's go. Woo! Today we're gonna be doing something that I'm sure you've done before, but honey, we're gonna recap on this one. We're making a Nacho Grande, honey. So I'm sure that you all have taken ground beef and browned it in a pan and crumbled it up a million times, honey. But we are doing it today. I've got my ground beef in this pan and I am just cooking it, frying it, and I'm using this wonderful little tool that breaks your meat up better than any kind of spoon, fork, or anything else you might be using or might have used, and it doesn't scratch up your pan. So let's go ahead and get these seasonings in here so we can season up this meat. I have put in now some granulated onion powder. I am now coming back and putting in my granulated garlic powder. I'm putting in some cumin. That's gonna make it good. And I have this Ortego low sodium, 40% less sodium taco seasoning mix that I am going to be using here in my meat. I already got it in. I'm still using my tool to just sort of combine, mix everything up together. And I want a little kick, so I am going to put in a little bit of crushed red pepper. You see how much I put in? Maybe 10, 20 little flakes. You're not gonna even hardly know it's in there. It's just gonna give it a kick that makes it taste really nice. Now I wanna go in and make this good cheese sauces, which is really gonna make this recipe. I'm using some whipping cream. I have some Velveeta cheese, and I'm gonna begin to just slowly heat this. And I'm gonna use my wire whisk. Now look at that. Creamy, oh, delicious, velvety smooth. And this is what's gonna be making this dish taste wonderful. So here I'm finishing up really browning my ground beef, and it is now ready to roll. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing plated up. So I'm using my nachos, and I'm just putting them down in this dish, and I'm gonna put how much? Well, just however much I want, what I feel like I want to eat. Yeah, and I'm getting that ground beef, that well-seasoned ground beef. It's not soupy, it's not, sloppy, it's pretty dry. I'm just sprinkling this across the nachos. I think I want a little more. Okay, I think that'll be enough. All right, now let's see what we're gonna top this with. Oh man, this is wonderful. Now, some of you guys are probably saying, nachos, I know how to fix this. I do too. I've fixed it 1,000 times. But I just got to thinking, I haven't fixed it in a long time. And with this holiday season, there's going to be so much to do with the cooking and cleaning and shopping and going and doing. These are good little meals that I'm going to begin to put up that you can just serve your family during this time when you're so busy, but do it quickly. It won't take you all day long. Now, I'm struggling with this cotton picking sour cream tube that I'm trying to squeeze this out. I got a little bit of arthritis in my fingers, and so this is hard for me. Let's see, note to self. Don't buy this kind anymore, just get the tub. But anyway, I'm squeezing and squeezing. I'll get it out in a minute. I'm thinking about just cutting this top off. All right, but I got it. Bang. So yeah, I put that sour cream on there, but here's that wonderful cheese that you guys are going to be making to go on this nacho dish. So look at that cheese. I'm gonna come back, a little bit of jalapeno, peppers, and just a little bit of cilantro I'm gonna sprinkle across here. And then I'm gonna be ready to taste it for you guys. This is gonna be my meal for today because I'm super busy. And I gotta just get something in for everybody that's delicious. They'll feel special. Great. But you know what? I wanna put some chunky salsa on this. So let me go ahead. This is gonna round this dish off. I hadn't thought about the salsa. This is gonna round it off, gonna make it taste wonderful, y'all, wonderful. Now let me get a taste. Let me get a little taste now and see what we're working with. Whew, yeah. Yes. Got cheese all on my fingers, and I want a little bit of that jalapeno, but oh man, y'all. You know, you can use a fork also. But right now, I'm just doing it with my fingers. So good. Hey guys, thank you guys. I want you to try this at home. Thank you for coming by and checking on me today. You wanted to see what I was doing, and that you knew that I'd be throwing down, and I hope that I did not disappoint. Guys, if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you, thank you. And if you're not, please hit that red subscribe button along with the bell, and you hit the bell until it turns parentheses around the bell. And that way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Give me a thumbs up, guys. That'll help me to grow my channel, and I appreciate it. I want to thank you guys for coming by and seeing me. There are a lot of people you could have spent your time with today, but you chose me, and I am so deeply honored and blessed that you came and spent a little time with me. I'm on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Check me out over there. Guys, here's what I want you to do. Be good to yourself. Take care of yourself. Love yourself. That way you'll be better equipped to love somebody else. And I have people that ask me, well, how do I show my love? I'm kind of shy. I don't know what to do to really show my love. Guess what? Share your food. That's the way to share your love. Share your love by sharing your food. That's what I always say, and it works for me. Y'all, bye-bye, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.